just goes like this. You count 1 to 4 to 5 to 6, and suddenly you're where you belong. Oh man, it took so long. Saturday morning with my girls, history and future get along. And I had something to say, but I decided to sing instead. Keeps flowing like that. You know, also the rainbow was once black and white. The family got bigger with the time, and so is my heart, my heart. So today I'm a little older. Oh man, I'm so amazed by the rifle and great world that I still don't quite understand. If you would believe that everything made by choice, and all you had to do is open doors, you figure that you're where you belong, even though it takes so long. Now I've got my people around, also that was hard to find. And I had something to say, but I decided to sing instead. Yeah, I had something to say, but I decided to sing.